This is a chicken soup, chicken shorba, that chicken broth with chicken shorba soup. And we have veg soup also, Chinese soup, Manchurian, that mancho soup. And we have like pasta counter. Yo. We serve starter also, two veg, two non-veg. Today our starter is one more tikka and one fish fry, non-veg. We keep in display and we serve one starter on table, that freshly one. So that will be taste also good. Fish we serving sole fish, river fish. And we serve in that here also, non-veg main course, murg methi and grilled lemon butter sauce. And we have veg starter also here from cheese croquettes and kali mirch paneer tikka. And we keep two veg main course also, Chinese, one noodles and one soya garlic vegetable, and two continental dish, baked vegetables and corn vegetables, and kadai sabz and paneer kofta curry, and dal tadka and peas pulao, and steamed rice. We serve roti on table as per the guest order. Roti, naan, paratha, lechha paratha, and we have salad counter also here. Chicken salad, egg salad, and we have veg counter from here, salad.
And these are the accomplishments.
This is papad from our Indian dish combination, raita, plain curd, pickle. We have peanut chaat also, and cucumber salad, and we have eggplant salad, and corn and capsicum Mexican style salad, watermelon salad. Dessert we have here. Dessert we serving eggless, total eggless dessert we serving here. Dark chocolate long slice cake is vanilla and mango flavor panna cotta. Blueberry baked cheesecake, apple strudel, chocolate cupcake. That cup is eatable.
Wow.
Mousse, yeah. There's a fresh fruit and Indian dessert gulab jamun. And our chef will be making live counter pasta. Chef, just make one pasta for ma'am. Which one you want? Okay.
Give me your bestseller. What you think would you suggest for me?
Your bestseller pasta.
Which generally people recommend.
Yeah. Okay.
Catering both the people who are like Indian as well as people who like continental.
Indian like for arrabbiata pasta.
Okay.
This is a spicy chatpata.
Chatpata.
One like this for arrabbiata pasta.
Sure. And chef, it is customizable, right?
Yes, yes.
जिसको जैसा चाहिए वैसे
हाँ, मिल जाएगा।
customize कर सकते
Yeah.
हैं।
Whatever guest want, we are prepared.
Some bell pepper and some juju. And the return.
Zucchini, bell pepper, American corn, mushroom, fat beans, broccoli, and there is a
And you can see the vegetables are absolutely fresh.
There is a Arabica sauce, Alfredo sauce, macaroni pasta, penne pasta.
Yeah.
If someone request spaghetti, we keep spaghetti also.
Spaghetti as well.
Yes.
This sauce is spicy and chatpata. So like this for Indian people.
Right.
Yes.
Chef, your name?
My name is Rajiv Sahu. I am from Odisha.
Very good.
I am continental chef.
Okay.
Both hot and cold.
Okay.
Mostly guest request from Arabica sauce like
Yes.
tangy flavor I will
Right.
receive. So we
Right.
making little bit tangy flavor
Okay.
because our chef also like master chef name of the Sandeep Chaudhary.
Oh.
He will be your only. He will be continue.
Hello,
as our
chef.
Hi.
master chef.
Would you
Very
like
good
to
afternoon.
introduce yourself?
It's very warm welcome to you.
Thank
and
you so much.
I think it's Sunday brunch, and we are, very keen in inviting you people and other people also. We got a lovely spread.
Yeah.
I think we can start from the counter. You can see there's a live pasta counter.
Yeah.
We got different types of pasta, plus the sauces,
Right.
and the choice of vegetables. Then we start with the starters, right? You can see there are 4 starters, 2 veg and 2 non-veg. There's we our thought process is to serve hot at the table. So we just keep for displaying, and so when the guests come in, we serve them hot. I think hot is what is important for us.
Right.
Then we come to the main course. We got various choice of there is Chinese preparation with noodles and one of the Manchurian vegetables, right? Then we got baked vegetables, that is continental dish. There's a green, which is people are very health conscious,
Right.
so we make sure that something green is there on the buffet. You can see that's corn palak with minimum amount of oil.
Right.
Then we got kadai sabzi, we got paneer kofta, right? And there's dal, there's rice, yeah. Then we got soups here.
Yes.
Then we come to the salad. You can see there's variations of salad. I think the important is, it's eye appealing. I think we eat with the eyes rather than with,
Right.
because eye comes first. So when we plan the menu, it is important that it has to be a very vibrant and colorful.
Yes, and chef, I can see your menu has a great variety. It's a mix of Indian as well as
Yes.
a continental style, which
Absolutely.
I think people love.
Yes,
really,
yes.
Yeah.
So that's a preference. We know, when people come in, we make sure that people get what they want. Plus, we
Right.
ask them what is their choice. So if something is missing, we can correct ourselves also. So that
Right.
part of homework is also there in our mind.
Very nice.
And you can see the variations in the desserts, right? We make sure there's one chocolate thing there in there. So dark chocolate, you can see a pastry kind of thing. Then there's mango panna cotta, which is it's the presentation is key.
Right.
You can see it should be tempting when I have my hand should go in. So that is what we keep it to our minds.
Right.
Then we got blueberry cheesecake, right? This is apple strudel, which is very classic.
Right.
Doesn't make this is a classic apple strudel, right? Then we got chocolate cup with strawberry mousse.
Could you please tell me about this? It's a very
See,
interesting thing
yeah.
because it's edible. The
Yes,
cup is
absolutely edible. This is made from the white chocolate and the dark chocolate. So
Right.
there's a mold for that. People, when they look in this, they resemble that we have to throw it. But no, this is very much
Completely
edible.
edible. Very nice.
Then there is fresh fruits and that's a gulab jamun.
Right.
And this is not only it. If people want their choice, if
Right.
they have some preference in
Right.
their, they want to have something, it's always open to us. So we are not, restricting ourselves. We are wide open for the choice of the guest they want. And plus, there's a welcome drink also, which we serve. It could be anything. It could be a watermelon cooler, strawberry swirl, version mojito. So these are the various choices which we have, and we want to serve to our valuable guests. Which
Chef,
is
do
key
we
for
keep
us.
on changing the menu over a period of time?
Yes, we keep on changing the menu. Sometimes, we put into our Thai food as well. We put into Japanese as well, some variation sushis. So those are the things we always, keep changing.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.